Hey everyone, it's Jen. Today I'm going to do a process video on a scrapbook layout that I did using the Planner Society papers and a cut file that I cut on my Cameo. It's from Paige Taylor Evans, and I just love her files. I've always wanted to use cut files for scrapbooking, and I've always seen people, back these files with patterned paper and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm using the Planner Society kit from December, and I'm cutting out all of these tiny little hearts, and right now I'm just gonna try to find a pink that matches the papers, and I'm using all of the pinks from my watercolor palettes, and I'm trying to figure out what I want to do for my background. So I'm just going to take a piece of 12 by 12 watercolor paper, and that's going to be my background. I'm going to do just a bunch of brush strokes in the background in pink. I was trying to do an ombre look with splatters, but it didn't turn out well, so. So I'm just going to let that dry and put that on the side. And while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm going to go ahead and back up my cut file with all of the hearts that I fussy cut out. So I'm just going to glue the back of the hearts first, and then I'm going to attach it to the hearts. And that took a while, but it was relaxing and fun. I enjoyed it. I'm sure there's probably a way I could have cut all of those hearts from my Cameo, but I'm okay with it. I didn't mind the process. It was actually kind of relaxing and fun. And then I'm going to let that dry. I printed out my picture. I blew it up and I printed it out on my printer. And I've scrapbooked this photo before, but I just love the photo. It's just such a cute picture. I ended up going with a different picture from the beginning of the video because I didn't like how the hearts overlapped the faces of my kids. So I did pull a couple of pattern papers from my stash that kind of go with the kit. I just wanted a few more patterns just to mix it up. I found this really cute bow pattern. It's right there. It has a couple of black and white bows. And then I'm going to mark up my picture and where I just want to cut out the actual photo to fit behind the cut file. So now I'm just going to take my big paintbrush and then I'm going to make big, huge splatters with my watercolors. I did try to use some Heidi Swap spray, but I couldn't get the cap to come off because it's pretty old. So it's been in my stash for years, so I had to use watercolor splatters, but it looks good anyway. So I'm just going to glue down everything, my photo and my cut file, and then I'm going to go through my stash to find a title. I have some Cute Girl by Crepe Paper stickers and puffy stickers from my stash, and then I'm going to grab these bows from the Planner Society kit, and I'm just going to glue down a couple of bows and some puffy sticker hearts, and then my title was going to have Adorable Love, but I didn't like how it was kind of hard to read because the background was so busy. So I just took off the adorable and then I just left it as love. And then I put sisters at the top, and then I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.